Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create this 3D product effect. Step 1. Take a photo of the product on the table. Step 2. Whip out your green screen and record another video of yourself sliding your phone backwards. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Select Photo and import your product photo on InShot. Tap Cutout to remove the background and save it. Import your product photo as a video on InShot. Tap PIP and import the second video. Press Autofill to fit to screen. Select Cutout and Chroma to remove the green screen. Now scale your video accordingly. Scroll to the part where your product starts to disappear and press PIP to import the cutout of your product. Adjust your cutout so the sizes match and you'll get something like this. What products will you drag out of your phone? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.